How to use the law of attraction for money. Who wants to become a money magnet? If you are saying it loud, I want to become a money magnet, then that's awesome. I love your spirit, because without this spirit you won't become a money magnet. I'm sure everyone wants to become a money magnet. Yet many struggle to become one because they have many negative beliefs about money. They are so caught up in their negative beliefs that they have no idea how to create money magnetism. That is why I have written this post. Today I am giving you 10 powerful steps to become a money magnet. Once you start using these powerful steps, your money vibration will go high. And the law of attraction will help you to attract more wealth and prosperity. 10 tips to become a money magnet using law of attraction. 1. Aware of your negative beliefs about money. Always remember, money is not the root of all evil, but the lack of money is the root of all evil. Do you know what is stopping most people from becoming a money magnet? It's their negative beliefs about money. How can you become a money magnet if you feel negative about money? Even if you could able to make a good amount of money with your negative beliefs, it won't stay or grow with you. For example, these negative beliefs are like big holes in your container. Take a container and fill it with water. Water will not stay in the container if it has holes in it. The negative beliefs are like those holes in your container of prosperity. The more holes, the less you can have. Unfortunately for many people, their container has nothing to hold at the bottom, forget about the holes. So the first step to becoming a money magnet, you must check your negative beliefs about money. 2. Build your money magnet mindset with positive affirmation. As you know, in law of attraction, thoughts become things. Your power of attracting money always depends on the beliefs you have about money. And your beliefs build upon the thoughts that you have for money. Your money magnetism is a reflection of your thoughts of prosperity. Only thinking about prosperity not going to make you a money magnet. Because it depends on what kind of thoughts you have. Whether your thoughts about money are positive or negative. Unfortunately, those who are struggling more with money are the one who dwells upon negative thoughts more. They related all the bad emotions to money and always focus on the lack of money. If you are in this negative state about money, it will not be possible for you to become a money magnet. You need to change these negative thoughts. And how can you create positive thoughts and feelings about money? The simplest way is to use positive money affirmations. Yes, affirmations are a great way to create a new positive belief and remove old negative beliefs. Of course, you won't become a money magnet just by saying "I am a money magnet" over and over again. You need a set of affirmations that actually create a money magnet mindset for you. 3. You deserve to become a money magnet. The moment you settle for less than you deserve, you get even less than you settled for. Most people never get more in life because they never feel like deserving more in life. Though it sounds unrealistic, every day I meet people who have this obstacle. So many people have big dreams, but most of them feel like they don't deserve it. And when you don't feel deserving for your dreams, then you get into all the traps of asking why, how, and when will it come true. And this undeserving feeling is very much attached to money. The reason most people feel undeserving because of their current state of life. For example, if you are working in a job and you are making X amount of money and you dream of a life that is possible only with a 10x amount. You started feeling undeserving because of the current income. You have to understand that only when you feel deserving for more money, then only more money will flow to you. You may not know how it will come to you. But you know in the law of attraction how is not your worry. First, you have to feel deserving, then it will come to you. Once you feel deserving, the universe will make the plan for you to grow your income. It may take some time, it may take a few months or even years, but you will certainly reach there. If you are working in a job, then you may change 2 more jobs and your salary will rise magically. Or you may get double promotions, or you will get an overseas assignment with a huge bonus and money will flow to you. If you are in business, suddenly your profit grows exponentially. The universe has its own way. When you become clear about what you want and feel deserving, then the law of attraction will work in your favor to give you the same. If you don't feel deserving of enough money, you won't be getting it. So when the universe has all the abundance to give you, then why to ask for less and why to deserve less, when you can have a fortune? 4. Love your bills to become a money magnet. Yes, you heard that right, love your bills. You must be thinking, AJ has gone mad. If I love my bills, then I will get more bills, then how can I become a money magnet? If you are thinking this, then my friend, that's not how the law of attraction works. When I said, love your bills means I want you to be happy and grateful while paying all the bills. Because as you are going to pay all your bills, then why to pay it being sad or unhappy? And this is the biggest mistake most people are doing. You can't avoid paying bills because you are buying products and services every day. And you are able to pay your bills means you have the money to pay for it. But by being sad or unhappy while paying your bill, you are attracting more scarcity in your life. When you change your focus, your money magnetism will change. Next time while paying your bill, say the following statements to yourself. I am happy that I can pay my bills. As I am paying this bill, I am receiving more and more money to pay all my bills happily. Money is circulating in my life. It always comes back to in multifold. When you change your vibration while paying your bills, you become a super money magnet. 5. Rejoice in others' good fortune. How many times you see someone living in luxury and abundance, and you feel happy for him or her? If you do so all the time, then you are already in the money magnet vibration. But so many people are not able to feel the same way. You are not able to feel happy for others' good fortune because you have been programmed to envy others or focus on your own lack. Either way, it damages your money vibration. The best way to raise your money vibration is to rejoice in others' good fortune. Whether the person is someone close to you, or a random person or a celebrity whose life you have seen on TV or the internet. Don't try to find the negative reasons for their money, don't try to justify why they have the fortune and not you. Or don't feel bad that you don't have the same. If you are witnessing their good fortune means the universe is telling you, you too can have the same. You also deserve the same. So that is why rejoice in their luxury, in their rich lifestyle, and in their good fortune and say yes for it. When you say yes to their good fortune, you will attract your own by doing things the way you love. Take their life as a sign for you to attract your abundance and become a money magnet. 6. Visualize your abundance. Create a vision for your ideal life. Be clear about the life you want with all the happiness, success and abundance you deserve. And every day take some time to visualize your abundant life. In your visualization, see yourself living the life of your dreams. Feel that you are a money magnet and attract money from multiple sources. Dive into the feelings of abundance every day for a few minutes and let the law of attraction works for you. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. While visualizing, do not limit yourself. Go beyond all limitations and see the most luxurious, phenomenal and prosperous life that you can imagine. 7. Recognize prosperity everywhere you go. Recognizing prosperity is recognizing the grand creation of the universe. Do you recognize more of prosperity or poverty? If you recognize prosperity more, then you are on money magnet vibration. But if you recognize poverty or lack more, then it will be difficult for you to become a money magnet. The biggest problem with recognizing poverty more is you can't do anything other than feeling sad. And your feeling of sadness is not going to help anyone. If you want to help people living in poverty, then you have to prosper to help them better. To prosper, you must recognize prosperity first. If you go to any city around the world, you will see beautiful buildings, skyscraper, grand mansions, and luxurious hotels. Even you can see beautiful roads and phenomenal engineering marvels. When you see them, become happy and recognize the prosperity that is reflecting on all these grand creations. The more you recognize prosperity, the more prosperity you will attract into your life. This is one of the simplest ways to keep you reminded that you have a choice to focus on money magnetism more than the lack. 8. Give more to receive more. Giving is always a magical experience to raise our vibration. But you may be thinking, I don't have enough for me and how can I give more? The first thing you must understand, giving is not always about giving money. You can give your time and you can give your support also. But when you give more than what is expected in your vocation, you receive more automatically. When you give your best service to your customer, you receive more from your business. When you give more in your job, you receive more success and abundance from your job. Here the key is giving with positivity, happiness and with a purpose of service. Only if these are aligned, then you will receive more. But if you are giving more because someone has made you compelled to do so and you are not happy, then don't expect to receive more. Because here giving is not a positive emotion. Only when giving is a joyful experience, no matter what you are giving, you will always receive more. 9. Be in the receiving mode. Be open to receiving more from the universe. When someone invites you to a lunch or dinner and wants to pay the bill, accept that offer and be in the receiving mode. When someone is offering you a surprise gift, be in the receiving mode. When you get a surprise discount on a product or service, be happy and enjoy receiving more. Whenever you are getting something as a surprise, receive it happily. Sometimes you may deny such an offer, but by doing so you are not staying in the receiving mode. Every magical surprise and gift that is coming to you is a sign from the universe that more is on the way. When you say yes to receive the things that come from the universe, the law of attraction will bring more to you. Same way, even if you are receiving less sometimes, then don't focus on the lack but focus on the joy of receiving. For example, your salary is not good and you feel that you deserve more. Yes, you deserve more, but don't feel lack while receiving your salary. Focus on the joy of receiving and be happy with the process of receiving. When you become happy with the salary you are receiving, soon you will also the salary you desire. To become money magnet, always live in the receiving mode so that you will receive more easily. 10. Practice gratitude to become a great money magnet. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Well, we all know the most powerful force in the universe is gratitude. My life has changed magically over the years by practicing gratitude every day. Like me, thousands of dreamers are practicing gratitude and changing their lives. When you want to become a money magnet, you must understand that money has a relationship with gratitude. Because the thought of money either makes you feel positive or negative most of the time. If it makes you feel positive, then that's great. But if it makes you feel negative because your focus is on the lack, then this is where gratitude works like magic. Law of attraction has a simple formula: you don't get what you want, but you get what you feel. So even if you want to become a money magnet, but whenever you think about the money you have and feel bad or negative, then you will never become a money magnet. No matter how much money you have, but when you feel grateful for having it, your vibration will change. When you feel grateful, your vibration will become positive, and then you can attract as much as you want. That is why gratitude has such magical power in the universe. It can change your feelings of lack into abundance. Once you feel abundant, you will attract abundance. Gratitude is the most powerful way of changing our feelings and hence our life. I have a special program on practicing gratitude, and it is called 28 Magical Practice Video Program, because gratitude is the magic of life. Start being grateful for whatever money you have and you will become a money magnet at the earliest. I believe the above 10 tips to become a money magnet has given you the perfect idea to create wealth and prosperity. Start your journey today with the law of attraction and live your prosper life. Do you want to manifest more money, love and success by just reprogramming your brain? Click the link in the description to learn how you can do it. If you like this video, please do comment, like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more manifestation videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video.